All right, you guys, so we're going to make this fettuccine dish so good. Chili flakes, onion, garlic, tomatoes, and roasted red peppers. Roast your peppers about 30 minutes and then peel the skin when they're nice and soft. Chop them up. Chop your garlic, chop half an onion, and dice all your tomatoes. So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to saute our tomatoes, our onions, our garlic, a little bit of chili flake, and add our roasted peppers. This is one of my favorites also. I guess they're all my favorites. A little chili flakes, and let this cook. We're going to add a little bit of heavy cream. It's fall after all, so we might as well add some cream and make this really soothing. Look at that. It looks so good. Add your fettuccine and let the cream reduce. Give it a good toss. This is so good and so easy. Add Parmesan cheese or your favorite cheese. Toss it up. Let it reduce a little more. Add some fresh herbs. And look at that. It is so good.